Sa ibang balita, dumalo si Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte sa tao ng alumni homecoming ng Philippine Military Academy. Sa naturang okasyon, hinihikayat ni Pangulong Duterte ang PMA na panatilihin ang disiplina at unahin ang kapakanan ng sambayanang Pilipino. Ginawaran din po ang Pangulo ng parangal bilang honorary member ng Class 68 at 88. Samantala, suportado ng PMA Alumni Association ang kampanya ng Administrasyon Duterte laban sa katiwalian at iligal na droga. May report si Rocky Ignacio.
Hinikayat ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte ang Philippine Military Academy na panatilihin ang disiplina at gawing prioridad ang kapakanan ng sambayan ng Pilipino. Dumating ang Pangulo sa PMA para sa taunang alumni homecoming kasabay na rin ng paggagawad ng parangal bilang honorary member.
I never pretended to be a saint. I know that righteousness and discipline are the foundation of a nation. That is why what I desire for the Philippines is a prosperous society that includes everyone, a peaceful, law-abiding citizenry, and people of different beliefs who choose to get along with one another. That is why I appreciate the PMA. You have the template of discipline and civility. I ask that you continue this tradition and thank you for inviting me to be part of you. Let us together build a nation worthy of the Filipinos. Filipinos worthy of their nation. Pilipinong nararapat sa Pilipinas.
Taong 1994 nang gawing adopted member ang Pangulo ng Dimasupil Class 1967 noong ito ay alkalde ng Davao City. Ito rin ang unang pagkakataon na dumalaw ang Pangulo sa PMA bilang Pangulo at bagong Commander-in-Chief.
I am an adopted Dimasupil Class of 1967. That is already honor enough. But to be formally adopted by the Philippine Military Academy alumni is a double honor. In my case, because of my long and harmonious relationship with PMA alumni, but not about political consideration. Thank you for clarifying that. Truth to tell, I am uncomfortable receiving awards and recognition for work that I do as a government employee and public servant. Because trabaho lang po lahat na ito. The work I do in the service of the people. And somehow, I also feel at home here at PMA because of its mission to train and develop graduates with character and skill. Being a soldier demands an inner strength, a choice to live by courage and principle. Because my own life has been molded by that principle of love of country, compassion for the poor and needy, and pride in being a Filipino.
Dito muling binigyan diin ng Pangulo ang dapat pagpapanatili ng kahandaan laban sa teroristang grupo.
The Sulu-based ASG is focused on kidnap or ransom. The Basilan-based AEG under Hapilon remains focused on assimilating the IS violent today. As I predicted, IS would find its way to the Philippines. ASG leader Hapilon, the overall leader of the ISIS Philippines, however, has been severely wounded in an encounter with the military. I have directed AFP and PNP to continuously contain the ISIS threat through intensified operation using all available assets and resources. This is the only way to secure Mindanao.
Dapat rin anya maipagpatuloy ang laban kontra iligal na droga, kriminalidad at korupsyon. Kahit ng Pangulo kaakibat ng malakas na ekonomiya ang mapayapang kapaligiran.
Today, these threats face the nation. The first is illegal drugs. Little did I know that the drug problem was more complex until tens of thousands of drug users started turning themselves in. I directed the PMA with the support of the AFP to conduct a war against illegal drugs, and it was by and large successful.
Samantala, formal na rin ipinabot sa Pangulo ng PMA Alumni Association Incorporated ang Manifesto of Support, partikular na sa kampanya kontra korupsyon at ilegal na droga. Nanawagan rin sila sa lahat na suportahan ang mga pagkilos para sa pagpapatatag ng estado ng bansa. Samantala, bahagi ng alumni homecoming ang parada ng mga ito kung saan sumama pa ang Pangulo. Sa halip na sumakay ng Carabao Jeep, lumakad dito sa buong Borromeo Field, ang itinuturing na lugar kung saan nagsisimula para sa paghubog ng pangarap bilang tagapagtanggol at ang lugar din para sa pagtatapos kasabay ng simula sa pagganap sa tungkulin. Para sa PTV News, Rocky Ignacio.